Hello, my name is Sebastian and I work as an IBM support engineer specializing in IBM FileNet. And today I want to guide you to a crucial aspect of troubleshooting that is gathering seed traces when working with IBM support teams. By proactively gathering and collecting these traces, we can significantly improve response times and ensure a more efficient support experience. Let me show you how to enable these logs. Everyone, my name is Sebastian from IBM Final Content Manager Support, and today I'm going to show you how to enable and gather CE trace logs within ACE. So getting started, the first thing we need to do is to log into ACE. After logging to ACE, we are going to go to the domain section here. And in this menu, we're going to click here on the right button to search for the trace subsystem. So once you locate the trace subsystem, you need to click on here. And then usually the trace login is not enabled in your system. So the first thing you need to do is to enable tracing. And you do that by clicking on this option here. Then after this here, as you could see, the subsystem part will be able to, you will be able to edit. So you click here, and then depending of the error you want to get that tracing verbose, you need to drop down here and select the flags you need to enable to get the information you need for each error. So for example, if you're having problems with the API with APIs, or you're having problems with the content storage, if you're having problems with database, you need to enable those. There's a complete list of flags here that, depending of what we need, you need to enable. So you see the error, the engine, the events, the fixed content provider, the GCD, the search, the security, the sweep trace, thumbnail generation trace flag. So all this you need to select in order to capture what you need. Okay, then after this, so we're going to specify the log file location. So the default section is going to be something like this. It's going to look something like this. You can get to this page by clicking on the information icon here, and on learn more, you're going to be able to have that documentation. So after this, if you want to save these logs into a specific location, you're going to put the path here, depending on where you want it. I usually just use the default. Okay, so then after this, you need to click save. So you will save it, and then when you save this, so the enable is going to be the tracing is going to be enabled. I'm sorry, and now you are going to reproduce your issue. So let's say you're having an issue with uploading some content into ACE. So you need to go to upload a file. Let's say, I don't know, a document class file or something. So you go here, you upload the document you need, and then after this, when you are done replicating the issue, you need to go back and disable tracing. Why we need to do this? Because this will avoid getting noise into the trace logs. So we could have like a more accuracy when looking for issues there. So we click save in order to apply the changes, and then after that, we're going to go and look for the trace logs. So you go to the path you wanted to save, and then here is going to be all your logs. You're going to have the CS Simpson logs, which are the normal logs of the of ACE, and then you will have the C underscore trace number that log. So what you need to do in this case is to gather the C system, the C trace, all of them, put it on a zip file, and upload it to the case that you have with IBM support. With that, the engineer that is helping you is going to be able to download those logs and analyze them to provide a root cause analysis of the issue you're having. And that's it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next time. Bye.